Hey, how's it going? Scott here with Credit Player 850. How's it going today? I got a good inquiry hack for getting removing hard inquiries. And this is a good one because hard inquiries at about anywhere 2, 3, 4, 5, even up to 6 points takes off your credit report, lowers it. So you don't want that. And these are easy to remove. So it's an easy one and it doesn't take much time. Just a couple of phone calls, 3 phone calls. So you're gonna call Credit Bureau, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Experian has 2 numbers, and I'll list all the numbers up there. But I can tell you right now on Experian, it starts with 714-830-7000. That's the number. It gets right to them. Once you you call them up, press 2, get over to the fraud department. You might have to go push twice to get to the fraud department. You want to hear a guy announce his name, Special Services Fraud Department. Once you hear that, you say, okay, yeah, how you doing? You tell your name. They're going to ask for some information, probably your Social Security, and then other information. And then you say, yes, I have some hard inquiries here that are not mine. I want them off. They're fraudulent. Please remove them. He's going to ask a few more questions. You're going to go through a little thing about where they disputed and stuff. And, of course, everything's going to be, you say, yeah, I did what I had to do. And he's going to continue. And he's just going to be persistent with them. I want them removed. Now, these inquiries, when you call these people up and you get to the fraud department, they usually come up pretty quick, and you can check back, and then you can find out if they were removed. But you got to wait a little bit to see, and then if it didn't get removed, you just keep being persistent. That's the whole thing in building your credit with doing dispute letters round 1, round 2 to get rid of negatives and collections. You got to keep disputing, even if the first round didn't work, because you got to use the tricks and the loopholes and the strategies to get this stuff off. And if for some reason the first round didn't work, you go back. This is when you're getting rid of negatives and collections and things, and all the other stuff. I'm going to start hitting videos with you guys. So the hack is real easy. You call up, you get to the fraud department, you tell them these are not mine, please remove them, and you just keep, pushing away. This is how you get this stuff off. Cleans up your credit, and it does this very good job. Now, there's one thing you got to know, and this is part of it. You do not want to mess with your new accounts, because if you just applied for a credit card and you got yourself a new card and they put a hard inquiry on it, you don't want to mess with that, because they might close your account. So that's new. Leave that alone. That comes later on down the road. But all the old ones, this is the hack you got to use for that. So this is an interesting one. This is a fast one, an easy one, but this is to help you out. And I'll have my number on the screen and my email, and you can call me anytime for free consultation. And this is Scott with Credit Player 850. Have a good day. Take care.